Well, this is awkward.
Do not try this at home, kids.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be a little different one than usual because obviously I'm in my car and I'm gonna be taking you along with me because I'm having a mid-20s crisis, even though I'm not in my mid-20s yet. An early 20s crisis. So I want to bleach my hair. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drive to Sally's and get some bleaching stuff, and you're gonna come with me. So let's see how this turns out. Alright, so right now I am on my way to pick up my best friend and her son, aka my nephew. And oh my god, I forgot, there's holes! Oh my god, I'm gonna pop another tire. Oh my god, I was driving slow too. Oh my god, I hope my husband doesn't watch this video because this is his car. But yeah, almost there to pick up my best friend.
What's up, bitches?
I got my best friend here.
Whoop whoop. That's what, looking rough as fuck compared to you with no lashes. Where are we going? Where are we heading?
We're going to Sally's.
Sally's.
I already told the crew. Where we're going. Going to mother freaking Sally's. Alright, products that we got. I asked the lady what the hell I needed, and she said this. So that's what I got. Some developer, a little bowl. And I decided to go with purple. Yeah.
What kind of purple is it, Cat?
Oh god, we're dropping everything. Purple Passion.
We got the brush.
I got the brush too for that. And oh yeah, and I also got black hair dye. Also, just in case if it goes wrong, I can just dye it black and pretend nothing happened.
Alright, fast forward to a couple hours. I'm actually really nervous, and I watched a couple YouTube tutorials on how to bleach your hair. So hopefully this goes right. And I'm too much of a little bitch. So I'm not gonna bleach my whole entire hair because I don't want my hair to fall out, because I am not a professional at doing hair at all. So I think what I'm gonna do is just bleach this part right here with the bleach and then dye it purple passion. Alright, so this is the part right here that I'm going to bleach. And I know some of you are probably thinking, you know, why not just go to a professional? Duh. Well, while that is true, and I do have a friend who is a professional hairstylist, I thought it would be a great idea to do it myself. So, yeah, I'm literally going through like an early 20s crisis right now, so I decided, let me bleach my friggin' hair. So, I'm gonna get started now and just stop talking. Alright, it says right here, mixing ratio 1 to mix 1 satch. I'm guessing this is a satch of color blue with 2 ounces of 20 volume. Oh no! The lady gave me 3 volume. Does that, not 3, 30 volume. Does that matter? Does that matter what kind of developer you have? I don't even know what 30, 80, 20, what's the difference? I honestly do not even know. But, yeah, and it says, apply where highlights are wanted, for relaxed permed or hairs. Okay. Process takes 30 to 45 minutes depending on hair texture. Rinse, shampoo, and conditioner do not overlap over previously in hair. Do not use heat. Cool. I haven't dyed my hair in over 1.5 years, so I'm pretty sure I'll be alright. I don't know what I'm exactly doing. And I have some gloves, and these gloves are like not hair. I don't know if there's any difference between, you know, the gloves I use for hairstyling and the gloves that you use to prepare food. So just in case, I'm going to double up on that and hope for the best. Let's begin. This smells like nothing, so yes, love that. And it's said to be in a well ventilated room, and I'm in my bathroom, so off to a good start. And 2 ounces, I googled it because these are mLs, and it said it was 59 mLs, so let's go with that. That should be enough. And then I googled what sachet, or apparently Google said it's sachet, and it's the whole thing. So we're gonna mix the whole thing in there. Pour that bitch in there. Oh my god, I'm so nervous right now. I'm so freaking nervous. Oh my god, I don't know when I should stop mixing because I don't know what the consistency should look like. So I'm gonna just mix. Does it say on here? Oh! Smell it now. Oh! I smell it. Oh my god, that's strong. No wonder they said being a well-ventilated area. This is crazy strong. Woo! I'm honestly so nervous. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, here I go. Okay, let me just move you guys so you guys can see me better. Hello. Hi, that's me. There we go. Okay. Alright. Oh my god, here I go. Do I need aluminum foil? I probably do need aluminum foil. Alright, got my aluminum foil, and I got something around my neck. So I know that you don't start from the root. I know that much because your roots, your head creates heat and it's gonna make it develop faster. So I'm gonna just start from the bottom up. Let's do that way. Oh, here we go. There we go. I'm doing it. I am doing it. I'm doing it. Horribly, but I'm doing it. I just put my hair in it. I don't know if there's a way to do it, but this is the way I'm doing it. Who knows? Alright, on to the next piece. So I went ahead and dyed the rest of my hair black. So I'm really excited how this is going to turn out. I really hope it turns out good. I have my timer on. Got a couple more minutes left. And my head is burning, but it's not like burning where I want to kill myself. It's okay. Alright, the 30 minutes is up. It is now time to take this off and wash my hair and literally hope it went well. Hopefully it went well. If not, I'm probably gonna cry for the rest of my life. Alright, I washed my hair and I'm gonna let it dry so I can put in the purple dye in, and as you can see, my hair is blonde. Oh my god. I'm gonna wait for it to dry so I can actually show you guys, because I don't want to show you guys when it's wet. So yeah, we're gonna wait and we'll come back whenever it's dry. I know I might look a little crazy. I just really don't want to get purple dye on my ears. That looks crazy. Okay. Alright, let's get this started. Alright, the 10 minutes are now up. It said to leave it on for 10 minutes, so that's exactly what I did. And now I'm gonna wash it off and I will show you guys the final result after all this. Alright, and this is the completed hairdo, and I am in freaking love. I love the way it turned out. I really love the color, to be honest. I think it came out really amazing for my first time ever doing something like this to my hair. I usually just do a box dye and call it a day, but I am really proud of myself, to be honest. I'm proud of myself that I did a good job and that my hair did not fall out, because that was like my #1 concern, was that I was gonna mess up so horrible and then my hair's gonna fall out and I'm gonna have to shave off my head and I'm gonna cry for the rest of my life because I made a dumb decision. But I really love this hairdo, or this hair color should I say. And like the main reason why I wanted to just go crazy and like bleach my hair, and probably to some of you guys this is not even crazy, but to me it is, because it's something like really drastic that I never did before. But because, you know, I'm a mom of 2 and sometimes I just don't feel like my best, so I wanted to literally change something about myself, and then bam, here it is. And I honestly couldn't be more happy with it. I was at first going to dye my hair blue, but I figured since it's gonna be my first time ever bleaching my hair, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be very yellow. When you mix blue with yellow, you get green, and I don't want green hair. So I settled for purple, and I know like purple and yellow might be like a pinky or red or something like that, and I honestly love the way it looks. I honestly want to know you guys' honest opinions about what do you think about this. Does it suit me? Do you like it? You think it was crazy? I don't know. Comment down below your thoughts on this for me, please. And yes, that is it for today's little transformation video. I hope you enjoyed it. I was honestly freaking out when I made it. So don't be scared to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!